We'll guide you through how to password protect a Dropbox folder on your computer. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website, then log in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, navigate to the folder you want to protect. Unfortunately, Dropbox itself doesn't allow you to directly password protect a folder within its interface, but you can work around this by using third-party software. One popular method is to use encryption software like VeraCrypt. You need to download and install VeraCrypt from their official website. Once installed, open VeraCrypt and create a new volume. Choose to create an encrypted file container, and follow the on-screen instructions to set the size and encryption options. You'll be prompted to set a secure password for this container, which will act as your Dropbox folder's password. After creating the volume, mount it using VeraCrypt. You can then move your Dropbox folder into this encrypted volume. Remember, whenever you want to access the folder, you'll need to mount the volume and enter your password. When you're done, dismount the volume to ensure the folder remains secure. This method ensures that your Dropbox folder is encrypted and password protected, providing an additional layer of security for your files. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.